Hi, Stacy. I'm Christian with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. Just to name a few. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be as much competition as with Zillow or Realtor. Either way, so it looks like you do have a website here, luxurylivingforyou.com, which I have pulled up here. And I just want to point out that obviously you understand the value of being online because you do have a website. The three things we're going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. So Google loves content. The more you have, the better. You actually want to have minimum 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. The thing to keep in mind as well is that content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so as you can see, your volume of actual words is very low. I'm not sure if you are the owner of Bold City or just a realtor, but either way, so by saying that, I mean that I'm not sure how much you can actually change the website. But if you can, I would highly suggest getting 1,500 words minimum on this website or just building your own separate website. But the thing to keep in mind is that you want to have 1,500 words minimum on every page you're trying to rank. So on your seller's page, your buyer's page, 1,500 words minimum, and then also your photos. So Google reads how you save your photos. A lot of times when we upload photos, they're saved as just random letters and numbers. You're going to want to delete that and save your photos as buyer intent keywords. Very important. So 1,500 words, and then save your photos as buyer intent keywords. Like I said, I know that you do have a website, but how much value is this website actually bringing you? How many leads are coming through your website? How many people are typing this in and finding you? I don't think that many. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Those are all directories that give you citations that help you rank in this map pack. So I typed in Southside Jacksonville, Florida Realtors. We got Keller Williams, we got Watson Realty, we got Jacksonville, Southside Short Sales and Foreclosures, Lifestyle Realtors, okay? And then even further down, if we go down here, I actually don't see Bold City unless I went over it, but I don't believe Bold City is here. And you're not here either. So another thing I want to point out is that just because you may not be the brokerage, you can still be here. Like, for example, Brad Officer, he's here. We have Gwen Riviera, Justin Bullock, Krista Geyer, right? So these guys are all still in the map pack, even though they're not brokerages. So that's just an example of maybe you don't have your broker's license yet, or maybe you just want to stay working for Bold City. Either way, you can be a realtor and have a Google My Business that pulls up. And these guys are bringing in leads from this, believe it. So I did actually want to show, I don't believe you have a Google My Business page, but I did pull up Krista Geiger Realtor and her Google My Business page. So this is an example of what you could do yourself. And then obviously, put your address, hours, phone. You can use your office address. She actually has no reviews. So if you have any, you're definitely going to be better than her. But we recommend 25 reviews minimum. And then in your Google My Business page, again, you want to make sure to have 10 photos. So as you can see, it looks like she has well over close to 10. Again, you just want to make sure that all those photos are saved the right way. So 10 photos saved the right way and 25 reviews minimum. And that'll get you a Google My Business page, and that'll help you rank up here. Even before you get your broker's license or whatever you're deciding to do. But the last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your website is listed on the internet. And so when I went off of your Facebook and typed in the luxury living for you to your specific website, it kind of has all these like numbers and letters and things following the website. So it's just because it's not necessarily your own domain, it's because you're going through a brokerage. But either way, what a backlink is anywhere that your URL is at on the internet. And so your website, which is what I used here on this tool, actually has no backlinks, no referring domains, no keywords, and no domain rating. So what that goes to show me is that even though you have a website, you have no power. It's not visible. So unless someone goes on your Facebook and clicks on your website, no one's going to find it. No one's going to find your website by doing research. So that's why you need backlinks. Just the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to make sure to get yours from sites that are relevant to the real estate industry and sites that are not spamming. So that's important. I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks and strategies either into this website or get your own website, get your Google My Business page going. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.